Ever wondered if you can boost AI performance by overclocking AI processors? Imagine the realm of possibilities if we could push AI capabilities beyond their set limits. Now, to understand this, we need to grasp what overclocking means. Overclocking is like the adrenaline rush in humans that pushes us to run faster, hit harder, think sharper. In the computing world, it's a technique used to increase the clock rate of a processor beyond the manufacturer's specifications. This means the processor can perform more operations per second, enhancing its overall performance. It's like giving your processor a shot of espresso, making it work faster and harder. Now, this concept is not new. Tech enthusiasts have been overclocking their gaming PCs and workstations for years to squeeze out every last bit of performance. But the question that's been tickling our curiosity is, can this practice of overclocking apply to AI processors to enhance their performance? Let's delve in. AI processors, like their conventional counterparts, can indeed be overclocked. Overclocking, for those who might not know, is the process of making a computer or component operate faster than the clock frequencies specified by the manufacturer by modifying system parameters. This technique can significantly enhance the performance of AI processors, enabling them to process more data in a shorter span. Imagine an AI processor that can learn, analyze, and make decisions faster than ever before. With an overclocked AI processor, we're talking about the potential for faster response times, increased efficiency, and improved machine learning capabilities. Overclocking could be the key to unlocking the full potential of artificial intelligence, taking us a step closer to a future where AI becomes an integral part of our everyday lives. However, overclocking AI processors isn't without its challenges and risks, which